Welcome to my sewing room. Today I'd like to show you how to make these adorable stash bags. This is a fun and easy project, and also a great project if you're a beginner. So come on in, let's get started. What we need for this project is 4 pieces of fabric, 2 for the outer bag, 2 for the lining, each piece measuring 8 inches by 10 inches. For this project I have used curtain weight fabric. You also need 24 inches of ribbon or tape, a tape measure, scissors, pins, thread and your sewing machine. Place one outer piece of fabric and one lining piece of fabric right sides together, pin along the top edge. Do this with the other 2 pieces. Now using a 1/2 inch seam allowance, sew along this top edge. You should now iron these seams nice and flat. Next we want to add on the ribbon or tape. We add this to one of the outer bag pieces. We find the centre of the bag by folding it in half. Then measure up 3 inches from the bottom, pin in place, then make sure to stitch it securely. We are now ready to join the bag together. Place both pieces with right sides together, pin in place. Mark a 3-inch gap that we will not sew, as this will be used for turning our bag through. Make sure your seams line up nicely. From where we marked our 3-inch gap, sew right around the bag until we meet up with the other mark. Leave this gap unsewn. Remember to reverse stitch at the start and finish to secure your stitches in place. Turn your bag through the gap and give it a good press with your iron. You can see where the seams meet up nicely. Now stitch close the gap. Push the lining into the main bag. Give it a good wiggle and get those corners to meet up. Now remove the arm off your sewing machine. Put your bag back on and stitch all around the top edge. This is called top stitch, and it will give your bag a nice professional finish. Okay, so once you've snipped off any loose threads, you basically now have your finished bag. So put in all your favourite wee bits and pieces. As you can see, it holds a little bit more than you think. Fold it over, and I'm going to go a wee bit off camera here, tie my bow. Bear with me. And we have a lovely wee stash bag to take away with us. Here we are. All done. Didn't take long. So, if you'd like a free template for this bag, please just visit my website www.delishdesignbags.co.uk. And if you like this video tutorial, please subscribe and click the like button, the wee like button just below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.